So on pole, you have Vash Aguilar. And second, you have Franz Jurek de la Cruz. Third is Mark Dustin Oliveros. So our pole position is actually a Youth Cup winner. That's one. That's Vash Aguilar. Junior siya, but he's on pole. Ganyan po, nag-improve ang ating mga riders. Actually, some of our junior riders this year is riding faster than our senior riders. So that's Vash Aguilar. Hopefully, you will see him again next year kung wala po siyang unless may kumuha sa kanya. But that's okay with us because that's the goal. This is a platform for these young talented riders to show their talent para makuha sila ng mga ibang teams or organizers, no? This is Franz Jurek in third. No, this is Mark Dustin Oliveros, bike number 26, senior cup rider. Again, this is his second year. So, isa na siya sa mga gagraduate. Thank you very much. And I think marami ka natutunan this year. So, we'd like to thank all their parents for all their cooperation. So, let's see if we can have Mark Jurek on the grid. Yeah, ito, bike number 12. We have Franz Jurek de la Cruz. One of our senior rider who might be graduating this year. It depends on the Senior Plus program if it will continue. So again, we'd like to thank the parents and the sponsors. Hopefully, you've had a good time with us in the Youth Cup. Yan. Next on the grid, ang ating very fast junior rider. Bike number 27. Carson Solis of Dodge Garage. Ito po ang ating very promising junior riders. 1 year pa lang po siya, pero napakabilis na. So hopefully we see him again next year. But kung meron pong makakuha sa kanya na ibang competition because of his skill and talent, wala pong problema yan. Support kami sa kanya all the way. Yan. Carson Solis, ayan ang kanyang proud dad. Alalay ka muna ngayon, boss. Okay, we have again Eunice May Santa Ana. Very busy siya this weekend. Competing in the Philippine Women, Scooter, and now Juniors Cup. Ito na, Eunice. Last race mo na to for today. Makakapahinga ka na. Good luck. That's his proud father. That's his proud father for Eunice. And hopefully, she will last week, Eunice Santa Ana was able to get her first national win in the class. So, I think malaki improvement ni Eunice sa Youth Cup after just 2 years. So we wish all the best for Eunice after her time in the Youth Cup. Bike number 21, John Alfred Santos, another senior rider who might be graduating this year. So nanalo na po siya again also this year. And John Alfred, again, we wish you all the best and we hope marami ka natutunan sa Youth Cup and we hope you carry the discipline and all the skills na natutunan nyo and of course the friendship dito sa Youth Cup. Next rider. Okay, ito makikita nyo pa siya next year. Our Junior Cup rider, Nax Pantaleon, bike number 28. Yan, very fast din siya. This year, hopefully next year, pagbalik niya, he will continue to improve. Yan, Nax Pantaleon. Our rider, our Philippine women rider, Jamila Ramirez. Ito, ang daming, alam niyo po, nung nakuha namin si Jamila Ramirez, hindi pa po marunong siyang mag-clutch from pocket bikes. Pero nakita niyo naman kanina sa Philippine women rider, is able to race toe-to-toe with the best female riders na on a sport bike, Moto IR. So I think nakatulong ng malaki sa kanyang Youth Cup. So good luck to you, Jamila, in your future racing endeavors. Again, ito po ang last race ng 2023 Moto IR Youth Cup. So sa mga gusto pong sumali dito next year, abang-abang lang po kayo sa aming announcement. We will announce kung kailan yung ating tryouts. No? After we have determined which riders are graduating and determined how many riders ang mag-move on and how many seats will be freed up, then mag-a-announce na po kami ng tryout. So, abang na bang. There are only 2 riders for sure na sasali dito. Ang ating reserve rider, si Vigo at saka si Jacob Brom. So, yun po ang abangan. Alright. They're off for their warm-up. Yesterday, we had one race, no? Yesterday, the winner was Vash Aguilar. So, kahit nasa back of the grid siya, actually yesterday, he was the winner. Second was Carlsen Solis, and then Franz Jurek de la Cruz. Then Mark Dustin Oliveros, John Alfred Santos, Eunice Nax Pantaleon, and Jamila Ramirez. The point standing, the senior points leader is Franz Jurek de la Cruz, followed by John Alfred Santos. Meanwhile, in the junior division, it's Vash Aguilar leading over Carlsen Solis. So, medyo dalawa ang DNF kasi ni Carlsen Solis. So, that's why he's a lot of points behind Vash Aguilar. Yan. Okay. So, tignan po natin. Again, this last race, sa full track na po sila. First part of the season, short track lang. Para po step by step ang kanang learning curve. Pero makikita nyo po sa long track talagang iba na ang ride ng ating mga Motul Air Youth Cup riders. Again, these bikes are all the same. These are 150cc mini GP bikes. Kayo on Pirelli tires. Pare-pareho po lahat. The parts, there are some parts provided by Racing Boy. Mga rear set, levers, no? And of course, kaya po pogi ang mga bike, they are provided by JM Mirasol. And then kaya naman safe na safe ang mga rider. They are all wearing KYT helmets. And of course, to identify them sa kanilang mga names, they are provided by PJ Bonsa and Black Flag Design. All of them have bibs, t-shirts, and mga polo. Yan. Alright. 6 laps for the race. Here we go, last race of the Motul Moto Air Youth Cup. There we go. Wow, what a good start by Mark Dustin Oliveros, taking the whole shot. Going to the first corner, medyo nakalayo agad si Mark Dustin Oliveros, bike number 76. Then behind them, Carlsen Solis. Ayan, nasa second na. Followed by Vash Aguilar, ang ating mga fast junior riders. So let's see if our senior rider can defend against these 2 fast junior riders. That's Oliveros, 26, followed by 27, Carlsen Solis, then Vash Aguilar. Half lap pa lang po tayo. Kaya nakakatuwa pong panoorin natin Moto Air Youth Cup riders para po tayong nanonood ng Moto3. Wow, medyo na-maintain ni Oliveros ang kanyang lead from the start. Mukhang hindi lumalapit pa so far si Carlsen Solis. Vash Aguilar trying to get the inside of Solis. Wow! Nearly touched their wheels. Ito po, mga bata po ito. Makita nyo po, very aggressive sila. Okay. And here you go, that's number 12, Jurek de la Cruz. So, it's Oliveros leading over Solis, Aguilar, Franz Jurek de la Cruz, Eunice May Santa Ana, it's John Alfred Santos, followed by Pantaleon, Eunice May Santa Ana, and Jamila Ramirez. Meanwhile, Carlsen Solis and Vash Aguilar inching closer now to Oliveros. Yan po. The senior Oliveros, pinapakita niya na mas mabilis pa rin siya sa dalawang fast junior riders. Kaya po maganda po itong Youth Cup. Kung talagang may talent ang bata, junior level pa lang makikita na natin. So that's why maraming mga teams and organizer would want to have these junior riders race with them. Whoa, I think these are the future of the sport. These mini GP bikes have created a lot of talent so far in the last 2 years since IR brought these bikes in 2021. In fact, one of the two... Whoa! There goes Aguilar on the outside of Solis. Very fast. But Solis is going to maintain the breaking point. No! Nakuha na ni Vash Aguilar. Wow, nakita niyo po yan, ha? Yan natin mga junior riders. Na-apply na po nila ang kanilang mga skills. That's battle for second between Carlsen, Solis, and Aguilar. So as I mentioned, yung first Moto IR3, nung nilabas namin yung mini GP, yung mga champions niya, mga champions na rin sa ibang category, no? And actually, 2 of them are be racing here in the super sports category. We have Alfonsi Dakigan and Casey Clamor. You will see them later racing in the super sports 300 car. Pero sila mga pioneer race winners and champions nitong mini GP since we started this way back 3 years ago. So now, since last year, it's new names, new faces, no? The purpose of this program is to develop, not really discover and develop, nurture young talents. And yun naman po si Vash and si Carlsen Solis. Nung nag-start po yan, nung sa small track, yung iba na overshoot pa sa mga corner. Pero ngayon, wow, we're very proud of the level of skill that they have reached na after 1 season in the Youth Cup Championship. So again, sa mga parents na interesado yung mga kids nyo to join us, abang-abang lang po sa aming tryout. Wala pong bayad ang tryout, at kung mapili po kayo, wala po ting bayad. Like these riders, they are all racing here for free, fully sponsored by us. And basta po, every race, they will show their best and of course, learn the discipline of racing. Ayan, medyo lumayo na naman si Oliveros. Vash Aguilar and Solis is, I think, almost 1.5 seconds behind. Okay, just 2 laps to go. Can Aguilar close the gap to leader Oliveros? So this means Aguilar will seal the junior championship over Solis, and Oliveros might overtake Alfred Santos for second place. Let's see. Alright. Ayan na po, dumikit na po si Aguilar kay Oliveros. With just 2 laps to go. Ito na po, ang top 3 natin, dikit-dikit na. Even Solis still has an outside chance for the overall win. But very focused talaga si Oliveros this weekend. Hindi nagkakamali. But right now, Solis has just managed to register the fastest lap of 1:16.025. The first 4 riders are lapping in the 1:16, while the others are lapping in the 1:20. Okay, when they enter, this is the last lap now for Oliveros. Si Aguilar, dumidikit na po kay Oliveros. Can Aguilar overtake? No, let's see. Mahaba po ang lap. Ayan na po si Aguilar trying to outbreak Oliveros on the outside. Outside, not dikit-dikit na po yung tanton. Let's see, si Solis dumidikit na rin. Whoa! Aguilar trying to take it on the outside. No, Oliveros managed to get it from sa exit. Ayan na po si Aguilar. Sumilip na naman sa loob. Wala pa rin. Okay, 3/4 of the lap to go. Can Oliveros hold on to the lead? Ayan na po si Aguilar. Come on, come on. Ayan na po, Ken Aguilar, take the inside, he can! No! Si Oliveros pa rin. Meanwhile, Solis, ayan na naman. Okay. Just a few corners before the checkered flag. Let's see if meron pang natitira si Aguilar na move. Dito na yan, before mag-chicane. Kung wala, wala na. I think Oliveros will get the lead. This is it, Ken Aguilar outbreak it. Oh, no, he tried, but hindi. Still far. So, sa exit, can he do it? No. I think it's still, baka si Solis may chance pa to take second, but no. Okay, last corner. Top 3 of the Motar Youth Cup. Oliveros, let's see if he can manage. Oh! Let's see if, I think it's Oliveros. Oliveros over Aguilar by just 0.124 of a second. Solis was 0.382. Wow. Yan po. Ang ating Motor Youth Cup, parang MotoGP. Winning margin, only 0.0124. Oliveros over Aguilar and Solis. And then it's De La Cruz, John Alfred Santos, Eunice May Santa Ana, Pantaleon, and Jamila Ramirez. So, checkered flag will go to Oliveros for winning the senior and Vash Aguilar for winning the juniors. So Vash Aguilar, please go back. Balik ka ulit sa finish line to get your checkered flag for your victory lap. Alright, congratulations, Mark Dustin Oliveros, ending his senior season in the Motul Youth Cup with a win. And of course, Vash Aguilar, bike number 11, ending his first junior season in the Youth Cup Championship also with another win. So Mark Dustin Oliveros. Yan po. What a nice way to end his tenure as a Moto2 Youth Cup rider with the win. And he's Vash Aguilar, only his first year. He will end it with a victory. So he's a top contender in the senior category for next year. Woo! Celebration! Whoa, there you go. Woo!